Hello, my name is James Morland, Master Mixologist for Bombay Sapphire. In this episode, we're going to explore the Sapphire Bramble, an old classic drink remade today with modern day fruits. We're going to use some lemon juice, fresh lemon, and some blackberries to make this cocktail. First thing you want to do is squeeze in half a lemon. Very important that you use fresh citrus when you're making these cocktails. So get that in there, half a lemon. It's about a half part, 3/4 of a part of lemon juice. Next thing you want to add is your Bombay Sapphire. So you add in 1.5 parts of Bombay Sapphire. And then you add just a dash of simple syrup. Not too much, you don't want to add too much in there, and that's plenty. The next thing you want to do is, and this is the important part, you want to float the cassis on top. Cassis is nothing but a raspberry liqueur. Sometimes it's blackberry, sometimes it's raspberry, depending what you find. But you just want to float that on top, and you do that by just pouring it over your spoon, and that stops it from really getting into the lemon juice. Give it a bit of a stir. You've got to be really gentle with this drink because the flavours like the cassis and the lemon juice, you don't really want to beat them up too much. You garnish it with a wedge of lemon, add in a couple of blackberries, and there you have it, your Bombay Sapphire Bramble. Enjoy. Thank you for downloading us at Podcast Go. For more drink recipes, please visit us at bombaysapphire.com. I'm James Morland, Master Mixologist for Bombay Sapphire, reminding you to always drink responsibly. Cheers.